Let's take a look at the question we have on the forum. There is somebody who wants to build Carli6 ISO, and there's a problem. I don't know what problem, but I asked him to put everything on a GitHub. That's the best way to go. And that's here, I guess. Arch ISO build Git. Let's have a look. So here's the Carli6 master. Everything is unpacked. Cool, looks all right. What I can do, what you can do, that's more important. What you can do is copy paste anything out there that has the word Arch ISO. Are there more out there? Let's delete the other tabs and go for Arch ISO GitHub. These are all people who have figured out how to build an ISO. Let me kill this one first. Poof, killed, and this one too. So Arch ISO, anything with the name Arch ISO, I would take a look at, right? But GitHub is not the only one. There is also GitLab. And that's written wrong. No, it's correct, GitLab. So go ahead and learn, read. Nobody explained me how to build an ISO. Nobody. So Bitbucket's another link, another way to put your data online. All kind of, well, Git references, Git websites, and there are more. So please keep looking and compare. Read the Arch ISO code. It's really, it sounds nerdy when I say it, but it is. It's read the code of somebody else and see what you can learn from it. If it's the structure, if it's the Lego blocks you use, etc. So I'm gonna follow that URL, Ctrl-Shift-V, and that's now on my machine. Since this is Carli6, we know what it is, what's inside, right? We know what to do. And there's a README if you don't know what to do. And it says sudo build sh. You need to be on anything ArcoLinux, you need to be on anything ArcoLinux, and I don't think it's working on Manjaro because we do not have the Arch ISO there. So it all depends on what machine you're building. Certainly not on a Debian. So sudo build sh. So I'm running somebody else's scripts. Well, it's an adaptation of mine, but there is an issue somewhere. So the best way for me to help is for you to create a place on the internet, your own GitHub, and then put your data on there. So this is my data. This is what I used to build it. And the only thing I need to do is get the URL, and then I run it, right? You tell me what to run if you change a lot of things up, but just tell me what to do. I don't really know what we're building, so the Lego blocks as people choose are entirely personal, but that's the one that's going to be used, right? So all of this is just playing around with different desktops, but the name the build is going to use is this one, and here we have the error, you see? Now this is this is okay. I mean, this is an error, but it's okay. It says proc already mounted on proc. We've seen that as well in the previous ways. The only thing you can do is reboot, basically, because it says here proc target is busy. You see? So if it's a proc thing, unfortunately, you have to reboot. So doing that right now.